Hey!
Welcome to the vlog!
Yeah! You can see Nick in the mirror. Oh, there's a random guy. Oh, I don't want to censor out the license plate. Oh, they come from Ohio? What the fuck?
Yeah, what the fuck?
People live in
Ohio?
They came from Beep.
Ohio, okay. Well, that's funny. You can see the McDonald's, the octopus. This is a point of view for you guys. It's like you're an FGC member now.
Yeah, welcome. Hello.
Hi!
Welcome
Lily
to
face
hell.
reveal?
Lily Facebook.
Casey, do you want a face reveal? Okay.
I'm over on this side. I can be mysterious.
You can be mysterious. Mysterious person.
They already know I'm a male, and I've already said I'm white. I don't think I need to explain anything else.
But you're black.
Oh yeah, totally.
You're-
My
you're-
name's actually Tyrone.
That's
welcome
racist.
to the Gamer Girl Car Wash, everybody.
Okay.
Yo, welcome to the gamer.
Come everywhere.
Girl Car Wash. You
Come
gotta
everywhere.
Put, like, some funny Nintendo music over this.
Sure. The car wash sound.
We...
Wow, look at this. Look at this.
Whoa.
Ooh. It's like we're a hentai girl.
Yo, we've been covered in tentacles.
We've been covered in cum.
Oh no.
Yo, it's the flippers. Oh. Oh my god. Lois. Lois, I'm coming. Lois. Lois. Okay.
Second player.
Look at that. All that blue shit right there. That's a wiper right there. Hey! Hey, don't put your fucking hand in my pants, dude. What the fuck? Are you kidding me?
Casey!
Come
Oh,
on.
darn. I just had to push that big ass dick.
What the fuck? Come on! It's not fucking funny! I've been assaulted 20 fucking times! Don't fucking touch me again! What the fuck? Come on! Fucking idiot! Ugh.
So anyway, I started blasting.
It's a beautiful sunny day. Oh, the car from Ohio is leaving. Very unfortunate.
Yay! Go, go, go.
Oh god.
Yay!
Woo! Guys, don't forget to dox us. Bye.